Introducing oneself and others. Introducing yourself. Simple phrases. Hello, my name is. Hi, I'm from. I live in. I work as a. I like. Example sentences. Hello, my name is Maria. I'm from Toronto. Hi, I'm John. I live in Vancouver and I work as a teacher. I like reading and listening to music. Introducing someone else. Simple phrases. This is. Meet. I'd like you to meet. Is my. He or she is from. He or she works as a. Example sentences. This is my friend Sarah. She is from Montreal. Meet my colleague Ahmed. He works as an engineer. I'd like you to meet my sister Lisa. Asking and answering questions. Questions you can ask. What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? What do you do? What are your hobbies? Sample dialogue. Hello, my name is Peter. What's your name? Hi, I'm Anna. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? I'm from Ottawa. And you? I'm from Toronto.